So a photon is checking into a hotel.
Can we not do jokes right now, please? I feel like I'm gonna puke.
Red light! Red light! The bellhop asks, do you need help with your luggage? To which the photon responds, no thanks, I'm traveling light.
Wow.
Hey, can we get some air going back here? It's like a furnace.
No air. Also, no power.
Trev, we need power!
Can you not talk to me like that, please? I'm 18 now. I'm an adult.
Oh, come on, we're on a job, buddy.
I'm not getting paid. Are you getting paid? No? Cool. Does anyone else feel exploited?
We're all being paid with memories.
Ow!
Oh, you're fine.
Oh, hey, actually, guys, I'm fine. Mom says I'm fine. Welcome.
Oh!
Wonderful news from the back seat. The windows are stuck.
I can open a door.
No,
no,
not
no.
during rush hour. No gunner seat.
Gross.
It's the Hell's Kitchen sewer dragon.
Hold on to your ass!
I'm going out. Phoebe? What, Callie?
I'm not Mom. You call me Mom.
You call me Gary. Whatever you want. I don't...
We're gonna lose him.
Phoebe Spangler, you stay inside this car.
I have a ghost to bust.
All right, that was cool.
Gary, come on.
No, I know, I'm sorry. It's just the way she said it. It sounded cool.
I can't hear you over the nuclear accelerator!
Whoa!
Drop it!
Hey, maybe please.
I'm sweating bullets.
In pursuit.
Nah, they got it.
These roads are screwed.
Try driving a 10-ton hearse.
I have, and if you give me the keys...
Not now, Trevor.
Now, Trevor! Pop it, Trev!
I'm out of range. On it. Good luck, Mom. Later, Gator.
Got it! Yes! Yes! Got it!
Yes! Everyone okay? Who put spikes there?